Hi, so today what I'm gonna do is try to fix my mistake by these pots. So as you recall from the previous videos, I up, sorry, I screwed up some tilings right in the front. Some are up, some are down, some are gap. It's kind of looks bad, not so bad, but bad. So what I'm gonna do is hang these pots in front. So I have 7 pots in for the front. I'll get more pots later because here when you buy a plant you get a free pot with it. So I'll use those to hang it. So I have some rope. I have 7 pots. One in the middle is going to be a big pot. This one is going to be in the middle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 small pots. 3 on one side, 3 on the other side of the big one. So what we're going to do, it's very easy, alright? So the simple idea I'll show you here. Where is my pot? This is the pot which I already drilled, pre-drilled to try it out. So I'm going to hang a pot like this. I'm going to take this rope, take it round, put it in. I'll say shorter piece. Shorter piece. Okay, so this is a shorter piece. Take this rope, put it through this hole. Okay. 1. Make it tight. Okay. Cut. This end will be fluffy and it will make the rope open. So what I'll do is, I do not have a lighter, I have a match. So light a match on the edge. Okay. Put it through. So now what has happened is it is secure into place. And it's going to hang. So how do I see it? Imagine this is the flower bed, right? So I'm going to hang in front like this. Okay. Now you'll be wondering, how will I hang it? So I have these hooks. If you can see closely. Yeah. So I'm going to thread this inside. In return, it will hold the pot. So right now what I have to do is drill holes on all of these. So let's get started on that. guys, so as you can see, I've laid it out how I'm gonna do it, and you'll be seeing this is with wire. I'm not gonna attach this. I was just trying. I ran out of rope, white rope. I think I have some downstairs, so you might not see me attached in the video, but at the end of the video I'll be posting some still images of when it's done. So let's keep this inside. The big one in the center over here. So I'm going to start drilling. I have some plans for this also. This looks ugly, so I'm going to flatten this out. I'm going to remove this now. I have plans. There's going to be a part 3 of this. It'll look better. Which involves pots, of course. It's going to be pots here and something here. Some kind of pots here. So let's get started. Hi guys, so this is the next day and I have completed the whole flower bed except the bottom part, but you can't see it. Looks beautiful, like really beautiful. I've done some planting, put some pots on the sides, so let's cut. And so here you go, all the pots. I didn't want you to waste your time and look at me potting every plant and putting it at the back. There's just a hook drilled in the back, tied with this rope. I've put some plants in it. This is a baby lemon tree. I've grown this from a seed. The gardener says it will not give fruit. I think it will give fruit. It'll take around 3 years for it to mature. Got some cabbage. I've done the first harvest, and the tricky thing is, people think that after first harvest the thing goes, but no. See, I've cut the first harvest. Now there are 4 more bulbs coming new. 1, 2, 3, and I think 4. So I'll get 4 new bulbs. So I'll cut those and then it'll multiply. It'll keep on multiplying. You don't need to harvest and throw it. This is my pomegranate. I had this downstairs, but it was not doing well in my flower bed downstairs, so I got it up. This I bought for 500 rupees. Okay, here I have some strawberries. Strawberry season is almost done. Oh, there's one strawberry coming out over here. Okay, so strawberry season is almost done, so these guys will fruit next year. I have some climbers just to make it beautiful. Here I have a properly grafted lemon tree, because if this does not work, this will at least give me some fruit. I'm thinking once this is grown to a pretty decent height, I'll graft an orange in it, so I'll have a multi-fruit tree. And it's possible. Yeah, can you believe that? It's actually possible. If the tree is citrus, you can graft citrus fruits on it. So you can have grapefruit, orange, lemon, all of these in one tree by the help of grafting. And it works. It takes time for it to give fruit, but the original fruit, so for example, this is lemon. I'm going a lot. You know what? I'll make a different video on gardening tips. You'll get the whole info over there. So if you liked my building project, give a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Please share, subscribe, and comment down below what you think I should have done better, what I did not. I'll look forward to your comments and I will reply. Bye.